Because I don't want him to think there's a negative experience.
Tipsy.
Cow.
Cow. Cow is a big fucking dog. That's cow. Cowabunga.
I want him to relax before bringing him out of there.
He's a feisty little fucker. I like it. Cow don't like that.
Yeah, Cal's gonna want to let him know that this is his place. You okay?
Good
You a good boy,
boy.
Cal? Huh?
Good boy, Cow. Good boy, Cow.
Our treats.
Good boy, Cow. That's a good boy.
You okay, Tipsy?
That's a good boy, Cow. Be a good boy. Be a good boy.
Hey, baby.